retro style with fully functional dies. Full frame 35 sensor around 100 megapixels. A beautiful unique lens price that open at f1.0. Yeah, f1.0 for an unbelievable and creamy bokeh. Image quality is best in its class. The look and colors are so original. Deep black, pure gray. No annoying grip, pure and elegant line. This is all plastic, no durable magnesium alloy material. It does not even have the 4K video and then no heat issue at all. Actually, it kept the soul of a camera. I mean, compose, point and shoot. You concentrate on what matters, focus on your photograph instead of camera settings. You need it? Minimalism in action. Welcome LEGO fans and obviously welcome vintage camera fans. Let me introduce the perfect 35mm film camera, an outstanding game changer from LEGO. 179 pieces, one camera and one roll. Switch with a telezoom. Yeah, I know this fancy color really sucks. With a shorter prime lens. Better, what do you think? Where do you think designer did find inspiration for this retro style camera? Let me know in comments what do you really think about this tiny LEGO camera. For me, it is great, love it. What looks weird? This shape with the gray dish. I think it misses the handle to unroll the film. Dies are a bit flat as well. But this red touch, yeah, the red release shutter button is a must-have. How to get your hands on it? It's a promotional set, but it is not a gift with purchase. Like the NASA Yearly Space Probe, LEGO innovates in a way that forces you to spend your VIP points for a kind of exclusive set. Unfortunately, you have to redeem 2,000 points to obtain it. It's about 13 euros and only available for a very short period of time. 2-day pre-Black Friday weekend with double VIP points. That's pity for availability. Packaging is That's good. Clear instruction, quite usual and common pieces, except maybe for this one, the inverted tile 2x2 to make the back of the camera and the inverted 3x1 in light gray. You could order bricks apart and build it yourself, but I could not find anyway PDF instructions, sorry. Hey, no problem, make your own creation, but wait, it does exist, yet there's a high probability that Lego designer did pick few ideas from these ones. Time to wrap up, so let me know if you appreciate this content and this bunch of bricks. Lately, Lego did release a lot of what we call lifestyle objects to conquer new customers, not only AFOLs. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about this avalanche of lifestyle and 18+ sets?